Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, has launched a new framework to measure economic performance. Director General of the PIOJ, Dr. Wayne Henry, says the Inclusive Growth Index is set to help Jamaica include welfare factors as a measure of economic growth beyond gross domestic product, GDP.
The IGIF encapsulates critical focus areas, including equality and equity, health, human capital, environmental quality, social protection, safety and security, and wealth. By consolidating indicators relevant to Jamaica into key sub-indices and a composite index, the IGIF provides a comprehensive basis for measurement, tracking, and in-depth analysis, offering valuable insights for the creation of policy responses and proactive initiatives tailored to our people's diverse needs.
He says the tool will increase the country's ability to monitor the goals and indicators set under Vision 2030 and the Sustainable Development Goals SDGs. Economic specialist at the PIOJ, Keelianne Murray, explained why the new framework was important.
There was a growing demand for quantitative measures that looked at sustainable and inclusive growth that expanded the traditional economic growth models. And also we found that there was a need for a deeper understanding of the interrelatedness of several key indicators and drivers of growth. There was a need to help build a trust between government and the economically, socially, and politically excluded members of society who may not always see their concerns reflected in the primary indicator of growth and development, which is now the GDP. So we thought that the factors could help to bring that wider perspective.
Let's head to some company news now. The RJ Communications Group recorded less profit in its third quarter ended December. The company, which is our parent company here, and it trades as Radio Jamaica Limited, made $56.26 million after meeting tax obligations. This was driven by higher other income, which came to $204 million versus $13 million in the prior year. The gains came from the revaluation of investment properties and investment income. Now, for the October to December period in 2022, Radio Jamaica Limited made $391.8 million after tax. The RJ Communication Group's revenue was 3% lower, coming in at $1.41 billion for the quarter ended December, compared to $1.45 in the prior year. This was linked to a decline in income from print, along with the other segment. Despite the third quarter profit, Radio Jamaica's 9-month results showed a $46.4 million loss. Lower revenues were also registered for the 9 months to December. Low advertising spend continues to be the main pain point. Now, the company says it is prioritizing cost containment and revenue enhancement. To the foreign currency market now, trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $157.60. The Canadian is going for $116.86. The pound is selling for $200.67 on average, while the euro is trading for $171.07. And to the stock market, the JSE index declined by 377 points, while the junior market index lost 20 points. Among the 42 winners were First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Paramount Trading Jamaica, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, and Elite Diagnostic. The 51 losers were led by CAC 2000, ISP Finance Services, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Everything Fresh, and Caribbean Cream. 15 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they opened trading this morning. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Please stay with us. Regional and international news is up next.